joint meeting, the third joint meeting, I would say, in this Toastmaster year for us with Meraki and Hillview Toastmasters. I warmly welcome you all once again for this joint meeting. In Meraki, during the term of my president term since July, I have the habit of taking inspirations from the members of our club rather than searching the inspirations outside. So today, I have someone who is also playing the role of TM Modi. So I'm combining this together with this person, Muki. Muki, I know from the days of those HCL days, but still I had one bigger opportunity to interact with him when he was serving as a division director and I was serving as the club extension chair for District 82 of Tamil Nadu. So this few incidences where we together approached new leads, and one such incident we traveled together all the way to Pondicherry and came back along with few other Toastmaster friends for a community club demo meeting in one of the school, actually Acharya school. One thing I always admired and always look up to him for trying to inculcate in me was the calm and composed approach he has. Even the sky falls down, he has this very simple habit of it's okay, let's move forward. He doesn't, you can't find out whether he is in pain or he is in a jubilant moment. This calm and composed moment for a person like me who jumps with joy for even a small thing to happen, or I'll just shatter even a small thing doesn't happen right to me. This seems to be one learning for me. Calm and composed and consistency is the additional factor comes with him. Even he has this weekend college and everything, he makes time and renews on and comes and attend the meeting of Meraki. He is one blessed member, I would say, of Meraki. So thank you so much, Muki, for being with us and sharing your wisdom and showing a way to be more calm and composed. With this thought, I would welcome you all again, once again, for this joint meeting. And I am sure that because this joint meeting, our VPM has decided to make it a little more closed group. So both our clubs will have more interactions. So I would start with one or two introductions of Hillview members, and Vijay can do for a one or two with our Meraki members. So that will help us to break some ice. So may I request Muthukumar, please introduce yourself and what you are looking for in this joint meeting.
Good evening, everyone. So last week when I heard that we are going to have a joint meeting, I was really excited because all around the Toastmaster circle, we have a special mention about the Meraki Club. And we used to hear a lot of good points about this club. So I was really excited. And I'm just looking forward to see all the best practices, what you guys follow in your club. And being a virtual meeting, it's an opportunity for us. Being virtual only, we are able to have a joint meeting. If it is a physical meeting, I'm not very sure whether I could have traveled and joined this meeting. So being a virtual meeting, it gives us a good opportunity to learn and see other clubs' best practices. So I'm looking forward for learning such things from this meeting.
Thank you.
Satish, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Muthukumar. Will not disappoint you. Maybe one more introduction from our area director of District 120, Varun.
Thank you, Satish. First and foremost, when I heard that aspect of having the joint meeting with Meraki, the first question which I asked was, what is the timing? Because the unique part of Meraki is the timing what they follow. The time is somewhere people either snooze off in the bed, or the people like Gautam and other people will be running around in the tracks. So when they understood that we are going to have a joint meeting and sort of in the evening, I was so much excited to see and meet the like-minded people coming together to learn something new. So for my today's takeaway is going to be, irrespective of what you reach or how much experience you are in Toastmaster, you are a basic member and you practice that skill day in, day out. So I'm looking forward for that ability to learn in each and every meeting, Satish. Thank you, and over back to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Varun. May I request Vijay to take an introduction or two and we can come back.
Yeah, thanks, DTM.